Welcome to the instructions video for the Hair Diffraction Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you measure the diameter of a human hair using laser light diffraction principles. By shining a laser through a single strand of hair and measuring the resulting diffraction pattern, you can calculate the hair's thickness with impressive precision. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter 3 key measurements. First, input the wavelength of your laser light in nanometers. A common red laser pointer uses about 650 nanometers. Next, enter the distance from the hair to your projection screen in meters. For our example, we'll use 1 meter. Finally, measure the spacing between the dark fringes in the diffraction pattern and enter that value in millimeters, using 5 millimeters as our example. Once you've entered these values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will determine the hair diameter using the single-slit diffraction formula, displaying the result in micrometers for easy interpretation. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.